OGarden. Here's how to set it up. Once you've unboxed your new Click & Grow Smart Garden Starter Kit, put the transparent domes aside. Then take out the cavities and remove the U-shaped lids. Like so. Now it's time to plant your plants. First, unwrap your new Smart Soil capsules. Then carefully place them in the cavities. Pop the U-shaped lids back on them. And click the cavities in the garden. Place the plastic domes back over each capsule until the sprouts reach them. They ensure faster and healthier germination. To keep track of your plants, you can label each capsule. The plastic cavities, U-shaped lids, and domes are reusable, so make sure to not throw them away after use. Fill the garden up with water until the float is on the same level with the lid and not higher. Add more water once the float has sunk down to the bottom again. Now you can plug your garden in and start growing. The light turns on right away and has an automatic working cycle of 16 hours on and 8 hours off. Plug it in right after waking up, so it turns off automatically in the evening. The Smart Garden comes equipped with 2 light arm extensions. To bring the light to a higher position, take the lamp off the garden. Add the extension and place the lamp back on top of it. That's it. Enjoy Click & Growing!
Introducing the OGarden Smart, the new way of gardening in-home. The best trending product of the year. The OGarden Smart can grow up to 90 fruits and veggies at the same time, all year round. No matter what the weather is outside, your plants are safe without pesticides and herbicides. The OGarden Smart is easy to use and needs minimal maintenance. We've tested more than 20 organic seeds that we now offer, and you get a year warranty on parts. It has fully automatic watering and lighting with specially designed LED lights for low energy consumption. It also has 10 days of water autonomy. The OGarden Smart causes 98% less pollution because it's at your fingertips in your house, so no transportation needed. OGarden is working hard to bring you the best and to maximize your in-home gardening experience. Join the OGarden community on Facebook. More information on ogarden.org. OGarden, fresh produce, food education, save money, sustainability.
Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the next episode. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.